Hi, Dan Pergett here with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2004 Four Winds 378 Vista. This is a great looking boat. As you can see inside, big wraparound bench for seating. Has a snap-in flooring as your carpet. Big helm with a Raymond Marine there. Up top you got a couple cushions that snap in. Nice bench seat here next to the helm. You got a sink, refrigerator and such upstairs, and then downstairs this area is extremely big. You got a sink, stove, microwave, coffee maker, nice big seating area, couches, nice big bed. It's a TV for entertainment purposes. The bathroom's huge. I'm 6 foot tall and I was able to stand there perfectly without hitting my head. Again, Dan Pergett with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.